Welcome to this guide on DAO governance, focusing on voting and proposals. In this video, you'll learn how decisions are made in Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, commonly known as DAOs. DAO governance is a decentralized decision-making system where community members vote on proposals to manage the organization's resources, rules, and future direction. Unlike traditional organizations with centralized leadership, DAOs distribute decision-making power among all token holders, creating a truly democratic structure. DAO governance consists of four key components. First, proposals are suggested changes or actions submitted by members. Second, voting allows members to cast votes to approve or reject these proposals. Third, governance tokens grant voting power to their holders. And fourth, smart contracts automatically execute approved decisions without human intervention. The proposal process follows four clear steps. First, a member creates and submits a proposal for consideration. Second, the community reviews and debates the proposal in discussion forums. Third, token holders cast their votes during the voting period. Finally, once approved, a smart contract automatically implements the decision on the blockchain. DAOs use different voting mechanisms to ensure fair governance. Token-based voting means one token equals one vote, where more tokens provide more voting power. Quadratic voting increases the cost quadratically to prevent wealthy members from dominating votes. Reputation-based voting distributes power based on contributions and earned reputation rather than token holdings. Two important concepts in DAO governance are voting power and quorum. Voting power is determined by the number of governance tokens held or reputation earned by each member. Quorum refers to the minimum percentage of votes required for a proposal to be valid, typically set at 51% participation, to ensure legitimate decision-making. DAO governance faces several challenges. Whale dominance occurs when large token holders control most votes, creating centralization risks. Low participation happens when many members don't vote on proposals, affecting legitimacy. Voter apathy results from lack of engagement in governance decisions. Finally, coordination issues arise from the difficulty of aligning diverse stakeholder interests across a global community. Let's recap the key points. DAO governance enables decentralized decision-making through community voting, replacing traditional hierarchies. Proposals go through submission, discussion, voting, and automated execution phases. Different voting mechanisms balance fairness and efficiency to prevent power concentration. However, governance faces challenges like whale dominance and low participation that DAOs must actively address to maintain true decentralization.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.